sure you didn't hear something strange, Kiwi?
Nope. Fresh kai is the best kai.
Yeah, our Matariki party is going to be fresh as with this yummy fruit.
Hey, maybe we could make something cool for our guests with these wild boysenberries.
Jam sandwiches?
Or berry ice cream.
Yes! I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream! What the?
Sounds like someone really wants ice cream. Is everyone okay?
We thought we heard someone screaming.
Oh, kia ora e hoama. It was just me singing my Matariki news update to young Tūwī here. Ko Scotty Morrison ahau.
Kia ora, Scotty Morrison. Ko Kiwi ahau, and this is my best friend Kērū.
Kia ora kōrua.
Why were you singing the news?
Oh, I didn't ask him to.
I was trying something new for Matariki.
Why are you doing it at night?
Because the news never sleeps.
His news waiata is keeping me awake, and I need my beauty sleep. Bird of the Year voting starts this week, and I need to look my best. So, ka kite, Scotty boy.
Hei, e hihi ana kōrua ki te mōhio ki ngā matapai huarere moa popo?
Kao.
We'd like to hear about the weather for tomorrow.
He rangi paki, ka heke mai te ua, hei te ahi ahi.
Maybe try singing a little lower, e hoa.
He rangi paki, ka heke mai te ua, hei te ahi ahi.
Nice. You know, I kind of like hearing the news through waiata.
Yeah, I was trying to be like my personal favourite Matariki whetū, Tupuārangi.
Tupuārangi.
Tupuārangi loves to sing to Te Wao Nui, the great forest, and all the children of Tāne Mahuta. I thought it would be fun for Matariki.
It is fun for Matariki.
Tupuārangi is connected to birds and food that comes from the sky, like elevated fruit and berries.
Birds like me.
And berries like the boysenberries we just gathered.
I'm hoping to sing to every bird. Kērū is next on my list. But I can't find him anywhere.
We'll help you find Kērū. Kērū.
Where are you?
I have a Matariki news-themed waiata for you.
Maybe Kērū is eating elevated fruits or berries somewhere.
I could use some berry ice cream right about now.
My Auntie Manya makes the best boysenberry pavlova.
Kērū, that's what we should make with our berries.
Yeah! I love pavlova!
That sounds like Kērū. Kia tere mai kōrua. Finally, now I can sing you news and current affairs from a Māori perspective.
Sorry, Mr. Morrison. I got stuck. Literally. I got tangled in this rubbish. But I'd love to hear your Matariki waiata.
You like your news to be sung to you?
Yeah, Matariki is a time to connect with nature. And Mr. Morrison always has the best weather reports.
Really?
Don't worry, Kērū. Neru and I will set you free.
Whoa! That cat might eat me. Aren't cats and birds natural enemies?
What? No! Kiwi and I are best friends.
The bestest. This cat would never harm native birds. She's a Kiwi deep down. Hey, Neru.
Aye.
Neru, can you use your super sharp claws to cut through this thoughtless litter?
Are you sure I can trust this cat?
Ai
Totally.
marika.
Oh, wow. Ngā mihi, Ngeru.
Pai noa iho.
Would you guys like to come to our Matariki party? We're serving wild boysenberry pavlova.
Ngāri tōne. I'll prepare a brand new news waiata just for the occasion.
Oh, you really don't have to.
It's no trouble.
Ei kona.
Now, let's get our news on.
So, Tupuārangi is a star just for birds and kai from the sky.
Wow, Matariki is full of surprises.
Now, that was a surprise.